The next recession is on the horizon, and if you're nearing retirement, it's understandable to be worried about how it could impact your savings. As we've seen in previous economic downturns, a well-prepared portfolio can make all the difference. And unfortunately, most traditional retirement strategies leave a lot to be desired. But don't worry, there are ways to protect your wealth, and you're about to learn how. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path forward to ensure your retirement is secure, no matter what the economy throws at you. First things first, let me address the elephant in the room. If you're sitting on a portfolio full of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, there's a real risk that a major downturn could wipe out your hard-earned savings. History has shown us that when the market crashes, those assets take a hit. So, if you're not already thinking about diversifying your wealth, now's the time to start. But there's a strategy that's been helping retirees protect their wealth for centuries: gold IRAs. If you haven't looked into a gold IRA yet, you're missing out on one of the safest options to shield your savings from a recession. The value of gold has remained strong over time, even when the stock market is in turmoil. When you diversify with gold, you're not relying solely on the unpredictable stock market to carry your retirement. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement funds, and you should seriously consider getting your free guide to understand why. Now let's look at why gold IRAs are such a great solution. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold tends to increase in value when other markets are struggling. And as we approach another potential recession, gold's track record shows it's one of the most reliable assets to hold. Unlike traditional IRAs, which are heavily tied to the stock market, a gold IRA gives you peace of mind knowing your retirement isn't at the mercy of an unpredictable economy. Another factor to consider is inflation. The cost of living has been rising steadily, and your savings in traditional retirement accounts could lose their value as inflation eats away at your purchasing power. But gold is a hedge against inflation. It maintains its value over time, which means the purchasing power of your retirement savings stays intact even when prices rise. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I have a 401k or IRA that I've been contributing to for years. Should I just walk away from that? The short answer is no. You don't need to start from scratch. Instead, you can roll over your existing retirement account into a gold IRA, which means your funds can continue to grow while being protected from market volatility. Another option that some retirees explore is real estate. But here's the catch. Real estate isn't as liquid as gold. If you need to access your funds quickly, you might have trouble selling property in a downturn. Gold, on the other hand, is highly liquid. You can convert it to cash when you need it without the hassle of finding a buyer. In the end, it comes down to this. If you're serious about protecting your retirement savings from the next recession, gold IRAs should be at the top of your list. If you're in a situation where you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million or more in savings, a gold IRA could make all the difference in ensuring your wealth stands the test of time. Don't let the next recession catch you off guard. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and learn exactly how to protect your retirement savings. You've worked hard to get here, and now it's time to make sure that wealth is protected. Act now and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve.